Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our topic is about Chat GPT. What is Chat GPT? What is it used for? Chat GPT is an AI chatbot auto generative system created by OpenAI for online customer care. It is a pair trained generative chat which makes use of NLP. NLP defines natural language processing. The source of its data is textbooks, websites, and voice articles which it uses to model its own language for responding to human interaction. What is Chat GPT used for? The main feature of Chat GPT is generating responses like those humans would provide in a text box. Therefore, it is suitable for chatbots, all system conversations, and virtual assignments. However, it can also give natural answers to questions and conversational tone and can generate stories, poems, and more. Moreover, ChatGPT can write code. Number 1. Number 2. Write an article or blog post. Number 3. Translate. Number 4. Debug. Number 5. Write a story and poem. Number 6. Recommended chords and lyrics. To make the AI carry out one of these demands, all you need to do is type the command into the chat bot. What is ChatGPT trained on? ChatGPT relies on NLP, defined natural language processing. It's an excellent tool for research and developers working on voice NLP projects, and it has many specific tasks, domains, and applications available to work within. It is well trained on based and unbased data in the form of text from books, articles, and websites. ChatGPT can reproduce data, optiplus, and reliability circle for many sensitive apps and other valuable AI systems. However, it is still prone to error and basis and depends on its training data provided in 2021. Thanks for watching and subscribe us. I am giving a new video for yours. Thanks to Allah Hafiz.